Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable high performance mode on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open settings, then tap on battery. From here, just tap on power saving. And on this page, you will find the option of limit CPU speed to 70%. Now just disable this toggle. After you disable this toggle, you will not limit the CPU speed to 70%. Then go back and tap on device care. Then tap on auto optimization. Then go to auto restart. And from here, just enable the toggle for restart when needed. And once you enable this toggle, your phone will automatically restart when it detects performance issues. Then go back to the main settings page and tap on advanced features. Tap on game booster, and from here in game optimization, just select performance. And after you enable performance mode, you will improve the performance of your Samsung phone while you're gaming. After that, just go back and tap on accessibility. Tap on vision enhancements, and from here you will find the option of reduce transparency and blur. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just go back and in the main settings page, just tap on about phone. Tap on software information. Now just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on OK. Now after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back and in the main settings page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Now on this page, you will find the option of running services. Just tap on it. And from here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background. For an example, I will select this app. Now just tap on stop and select OK. And after you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. After you do that, then go back and in developer options, just tap on the search bar and search this. Tap on background process limit. Then tap on background process limit. And from this pop-up menu, just select at most 2 processes. And this is how you can enable high performance mode on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.